What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and today I am coming to you with this review on this hair. It is the silkiest hair I've ever had in my life, y'all. Yes, like get into it. So yeah, if you want to see my review and a mini tutorial on how I achieved this look, keep watching. The company I will be working with today is ISEE Hair. This is the wig that I'm showing you. It is a 22-inch Brazilian straight wig. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, 1 comb in the front, and adjustable straps. Here I'm showing you the hairline straight out of the box. As you can see, it did come pre-plucked, and I did go ahead and bleach the knots off camera. This is a 13x6 unit, so here I'm just showing you all the parting space that you have. You can do deep side parts and deep middle parts. Next, I'm just going to cut both sides of my ear tabs to match the perimeter of my hairline. Next, you want to take 91% alcohol and clean the perimeter of your forehead. After that is done, you want to take your adhesive and do 2 thin layers, repeating the process from the top and 2 sides. The adhesive I will be using is called Forever Glue. Here I'm just doing 2 thin layers starting from the top of my forehead. I will use the blow dryer and then continue and repeat the same process on both sides. After excess lace has been cut, this part is optional, but you can go in and customize your hairline just a little bit more. Next, I'm going to take my Nairobi foam setting spray, and I'm just going to use this to lay down my hair and make sure everything is set and smooth. Next, you want to take your hot comb and press out everything that you just laid with the setting foam. This part is optional, but in my case, I did over bleach my knots, so now I'm just going back in with a semi-permanent dye and color correcting where I have over bleached. You want to go in with your foundation or concealer and define your part. Once that is done, you want to go in with your blow dryer and then continue to lay your baby hairs. And to finish off the look, I'm going to go in with my Babyliss titanium straightener and press out the remainder of the hair. nice and everything. Let's get into the specs about this hair. Again, this is the company ISEE Hair. They sent to me this cute little box right here, and it says ISEE 100% human hair. And then on the back it says ISEE, and then it has their Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, natural/comfort, and then you just have ISEE here. Inside the box, you get your packaging for your wig, of course. They list the information on the bag. It is a Brazilian hair, 100% human hair, straight wig, 22 inches, and the density is 150. Inside, it just came with a wig cap and this wig little net, and this ISEE brochure, which has ISEE information on the back, and then on the inside, of course, it tells you how to care for maintenance and whatnot. You also get these naked 3D mink lashes, and I have these on right now. They look so cute. So yeah, this is all for the packaging, just a cute little box. I ripped it right here because I was anxious to open it. I believe it took about 3 or 4 days to receive. I did go ahead and bleach the hair off camera, but I did not plug the hairline at all. The hairline did come pre-plucked, and then once I put it on, of course, I just went in and tweaked it a little bit to add to my personal preference. But y'all, I didn't add no silk. I didn't add any silk serum or any type of oil to this hair, y'all. All I did was went in with a straight flat iron and a comb, and y'all, look how silky it is. Like, I don't know if y'all really can tell, but like, super silky. And this unit is really long. I am 5 foot even, so I'm very short, but the wig is 22 inches on me. Well, I'm sorry, the wig is 22 inches, and on me it comes to my waist, which is another plus. Of course, I obviously didn't get any tangling whatsoever. You can finger comb through this for the rest of your life. Like, love it. And shedding, I did get some shedding as I was styling the wig, but I think that's because, like I said, I went in and personalized my frontal and plucked it a little bit more around the hairline. But other than that, I did not receive any shedding in my combs or brushes. I'm not receiving any shedding with me running my fingers through the hair. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you can see my next video. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.